Welcome back, guys. So today I'll be showing you how I achieved this soft glam look. It's not screaming in your face, it's just soft, and you can use it for any occasion, a photo shoot, a wedding. I think this is the kind of look they do for weddings now. I don't know. So yeah, just sit back and I'll show you how I achieved this look. I already moisturized and primed my face with mattifying primer. So I'm going to go out with my foundation and my concealer. So today I'll be using the Makeup Revolution F13 and concealer full coverage C12. They are both mattifying. So you see it's like full coverage and you have to bring it down to your jawline. So for contour, I'll be using the concealer, Fast Concealer Base C16. This is dark as they have, but I definitely need a darker shade because this is not matte, by the way. I have two concealers, the C12 and C13. The C12 is lighter, it's far more lighter, and the C13 is more closer to my shade. But because my mattifying full coverage concealer is C12, so we are going to go with C12 for the inner part and C13 for the outer part. So yeah, that's that. I'll do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. Up and down, and then this will definitely also go upwards and down. Then you bring it up towards the middle. So I'll go ahead and bake. You have to bake wherever, your concealer, wherever you apply concealer. So I'm just dusting off the excess powder. Today we'll be doing a very subtle eyeshadow look. And I have my makeup obsession here from Makeup Revolution. Like, Makeup Revolution is the bomb. It's really very pigmented and very affordable price, and you can also wait for when they are doing a discount. I got this when they were doing discounts. I got it for less than £6 because it's in UK, so that's why it's a pound. Less than £6 and this is what you get. Like, I'm not trying to advertise, they're not paying me any money. You can see I don't even have much subscribers that will not come and be saying, oh, they are sponsoring. This is not a sponsor or something. And also I'll be using my NYX Off Tropic palette. This one has been with me for a very long time. Now you can see it's obvious. This was a little bit more pricey. After I found Obsession, I'm going nowhere else because you get it cheap and it's good. You know what I'm saying? We will be doing a very subtle look, and there's a mirror here, so I'll be looking down because I have my mirror down here. But I'll just show you what I'll be using. I'll be using this beautiful color right here. It's called Sagittarius. So I'm using Sagittarius. I'm using this Pops, Sagittarius, Pops, and maybe a little bit of hot sauce. I'm not sure, but definitely Sagittarius and Pops. So, but first I'll be starting, I don't even know the name of this color, but I'll be starting with something with this Off Tropic to kind of, and I'm using a blending brush to kind of give me the very, very, very light blend or base for the other eyeshadow to like blend in properly. Okay, I said my eyeshadow palette was here, so my mirror, I said my mirror was here, so I'll be looking down a little bit. Now it looks like we have nothing there. That's okay, you don't need much. So next up is Sagittarius. I'll go in with a, now this is a different brush. It's smaller and more dense. I got my brushes from Aliexpress. Just go look for eyeshadow brush. This one, they don't have names. And you have to be fast because you see that, you see my pores are coming out. And I'm just going to apply this to my crease on the outer part of my eye. Like, it's really pigmented, so you want to, we're going very light. So now I'm not adding extra, I'm just going to use my blending brush to blend this out. So after blending, I'm going in with Pops. Like, really pigmented. So that this has a little bit of gold glitter in it. I want to add a little bit of glitter, so I'll be going with Mama Bear right here. Eyelid, the middle part of my eyelid, like not everywhere. Now this is what it looks like. And then while it's drying up, I don't have a special brush for highlighting. I'm using this highlighter, like it is the glow, baby. It is the glow. If you can't see it, like I said, it's there. When you go out, people will see it. It doesn't have to be so. It doesn't have to be so obvious. Like, people will see it. Trust me. Thank you very much for watching. I will be updating my makeup videos as often as I can. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, yes, turn up the notification bell, subscribe, please share to your friends. Share. Don't forget to share.